3D Printing Challenge.
Hey everybody, Alien Neela here, and I am here to challenge the entire 3D community to a duel. And this will be a one-on-one duel. I'm not going to do everybody at the same time, but if you're a big name in 3D printing or a little guy like me who's just making a 3D dungeon in a closet off of his living room, I want you to challenge me to a duel. And with this, I mean, if you can come up with something that's a design or even challenge me to print something off of Thingiverse or to come up with a 3D printer accessory such as my single filament dry box or whatever, as long as it involves 3D printing, I want you to challenge me. Now, I said this is going to be a duel, so whatever you can come up with to challenge me, you must also do. Whether you submit videos or pictures or whatnot, we have to have a way for the community as a whole to vote. So I will post both of our whatever you come up with when they're complete and post them on YouTube and allow people on Twitter to vote for them, and whoever wins gets a reward. Here's the thing, you can come up with the reward too. And this is something that, you know, the rewards have to be reasonable. If you ask for $100, if you win, well, you're not going to get $100. But if you reasonably say, hey, I want a roll of Filamentium printer in grass green, and I will be glad to send it to you if you win and you beat me. But you have to be willing to send it to me as well. So, I mean, if you lose and you don't send me the reward, then, well, you're going to be publicly shamed on YouTube and Twitter. But I promise that whatever reward you guys come up with and I accept the challenge, I will send you the reward if you win. So just be reasonable with your rewards. If it's a design challenge, I am not a great designer, but this is going to challenge me to do something better. And I really want to do this to promote activity in the 3D printing world and interaction between people. And if somebody's out there coming up with great world-changing ideas, but they just don't know how to get it out there or too shy to come up on YouTube with videos, I want those people to challenge me so that I can help promote your ideas and get them out there. So I hope everybody else thinks this is a great idea, and again, let's do this. Challenge me, and we'll see what we can come up with and produce, and let's have some fun with it. Peace out.